W Motors is known for the Lycan Hypersport and Fenner Supersport, but the company is not limited to exotic hypercars. Its latest model, called Ghiath Smart Patrol, is a bespoke Nissan Patrol-based SUV designed for the Dubai police. The Ghiath is described as one of the most advanced security vehicles in the world, integrating highly advanced technologies, functionality, and reliability. Featuring W Motors' distinctive DNA, the vehicle is modern and sleek, with strong lines highlighting powerful muscles. Exterior features include emergency lights, police lights, side steps, a 360-degree deployable camera, 8 exterior surveillance cameras and a facial and license plate recognition system. The interior was designed around the comfort and needs of police officers, with an integrated 16-inch central screen, a powerful onboard computer linked to the main control center, a large passenger display, an Android tablet connected to the dispatcher, a driver behavior camera, in-cabin monitoring and front ADAS. It is the first product developed under W Motors' Special Projects division, a fully integrated unit specialized in delivering mobility solutions focused on security, defense, and smart technologies. The Ghiath fleet of 10 vehicles has already hit the roads of Dubai, and will soon be expanded with more vehicles joining the fleet.